and welcome to the Best Buy vlog. My name is Ray, and in this video I'll be reviewing the 8-liter Ultima Cosa dual basket digital air fryer. If you, too, suffer from the familiar problem of having half of your dinner ready to go and the other half totally still uncooked, then the Ultima Cosa dual digital air fryer, an 8-liter air fryer, might be your solution. With 2 baskets instead of 1, you can get dinner or snacks on the table twice as fast and at the same time. In the box of this air fryer, you'll find an 8-liter digital air fryer with a touchscreen and 2 removable 4-liter baskets. In each basket, there's a crisping tray, which are removable and feature silicone guards on the edges to prevent them from scratching the non-stick baskets. This air fryer also comes with a physical instruction manual, always nice, a quick start guide, and a recipe book. It has an 8-liter capacity and can cook up to 6.5 pounds of food at a time. That's about 4 liters per basket, or 3.25 pounds per basket. Its baskets and crisping trays are dishwasher safe and non-stick for easy cleanup, and the design features 8 preset cooking programs, including preheat, fries, steak, chicken, fish, vegetables, bacon, and shrimp, on its touchscreen display. On the top of this air fryer is something that I haven't seen before. It's just a super handy little temperature guide and time guide for each preset. Really simple and probably cost the company like nothing to include, but it's really handy. This Ultima Cosa air fryer allows you to cook separately, dual cook, sync the finish time for both baskets, and set your time and temperature independently for each side. It'll chime when it's time to shake or remove your food. I love an air fryer, and this one was no exception. The Ultima Cosa dual digital air fryer has a 5-minute preheat function, should you choose to use it, and its other presets are very customized to the types of food they're handling. Veggies, like these asparagus spears, cook for a shorter time frame and at a much lower temperature than other settings, like meat or fish. And dishes like meat and fish broil on high, whereas other options just regular air fry. My food heats up really quickly in this air fryer. It took about 20 minutes for me to cook these fries, 15 minutes for the asparagus, and 5 minutes to reheat these ribs, which makes it so easy to get dinner on the table all at once and really quickly. The 5-minute preheat time is just long enough to wash and prep foods like veggies, plus grab any oil or seasoning that you may need. I know frozen fries come pre-seasoned and ready to go, but I love them with a little bit of steak seasoning on top. All 3 of these items, despite being cooked on very different settings, came out so beautifully. The asparagus was really sweet and juicy and crisp. The fries were perfectly crisped on the outside, and the meat was hot in, I kid you not, 5 minutes straight out of the fridge. I really enjoyed this air fryer, and if you want to know one other secret function that it has that's not listed anywhere on the product page or the brand's website that I could find, but that I really loved, make sure you check out my full review at the Best Buy blog. Thanks for watching.